There are not many Mexicans in Albania, but by chance or fate, you found a Mexican. You spend the day together. First, you hitchhike to get to Petrele Castle. After a couple of vehicles, a couple welcomed you to join them to take you to the castle. Jess is cheerful and friendly, a true representative of Mexico, and the time together is full of nostalgia for a homeland that you criticize but love. Petrele Castle is situated 329 meters above the sea level and has a rich history. It has a tower built in the 6th century, a wooden structure, and is hanging from a rocky hill. Although its origin dates back to the 6th century, the current building dates from the 15th century. Petrele Castle was part of a signaling and defense system for Kruja Castle. The castles communicate thanks to smoking signals. During Skanderberg's war against the Ottomans, Petrele Castle was commanded by Mamika Castriotti, Skanderberg's sister. Rich that are very, very rich, and there are poor that are very, very poor. The castle offers a spectacular view of the Ersen Valley, the surrounding hills, olive groves, and mountains. Being there with that couple, you analyze your way of life, and you wonder if maybe it would be good to walk the path with someone else. They said that if you want to go fast, travel alone. If you want to go far, travel together. But maybe, if you want to stop worrying about getting there, the important thing is to find people you consider home and walk the road together. The kindness of your host is incredible. They are an exceptional company. As they eat, they tell you about their life in detail. They look happy and in love. He used to have a musical group, and he shows you videos on YouTube. She speaks perfect Spanish. The people at the next table cannot resist asking you where you are from and what are you doing in Albania. They are warm, and one of them gives you a big hug. After lunch, you take one last look at the Ersen Valley. Get in the car and enjoy the warmth and encouragement of your new friends. Back in Tirana, you and Jess take a city tour. At Skanderberg Square, the guide tells you that some of the stone slabs in the square come from every city in Albania. The day is sunny and the afternoon starts to cool down. It is perfect. He tells you about his family and life during the communist regime. He tells you that bananas and cokes were unknown in Albania, while in the rest of Europe they were something common. He tells you how the design of a street tries to resemble musical notes. He shows you works of art in the open air, churches. He tells you about the dictatorship, about the plans for the pyramid that Enver Akça's daughter built for her father and that is now in ruins. The bunkers that every Albanian family should have, and other commemorative monuments around the block. The neighborhood that during the dictatorship was only accessible to relatives of party members. After the tour, you and Jess decide to visit the Edhem Bey Mosque and appreciate its interior. You end your day in the strange autocephalous Orthodox Church of Albania. The style of its architecture is peculiar and modern, but its interior, although it has interesting murals, is modest. The next day, Jess will leave to finish her studies and you will go to explore another city in Albania. Although it is beautiful to meet someone from your own country, you belong everywhere.